The attitudes of passion, anger, envy, discontent, fear, and sorrow are the laborers of disease. By banishing discontent, we preserve the body from disease and illness and restore the body to the natural state. Through learning, we come to desire only that which is necessary. Then we can see that civilization is a breeder of plagues and contagion, for from the congestion it produces and generates all manner of crime and evil.
What? I want you to hit me as hard as you can.
Nearly all of us could be cured and redeemed for society by either a strong mental and healthy occupation. The more time we have to pity on ourselves, the smaller the chance of recovery. By dwelling on the disease or illness, it increases in proportion to the patient's fears and invites evil. When we begin to analyze ourselves with an ailment, you will discover one whose heart and mind have been eaten by a secret sorrow, some unrequited love or unavenged wrong, real or imaginary. A life spent nursing grudges or even recalling them is a life wasted to better things. If you are sick, then look within for the hidden motives behind each thought. Indeed, if you are not sick, do the same and analyze your inner self to prevent the manifestation of these ills.